y'all been asking for this vlog, so you gonna get this vlog, okay? I'm gonna try. So right now, I decided to share with you guys because I was like, let me just grab the camera and start recording. So this is my problem, y'all. I just woke up and I've been trying to get my room together because, okay, my room look a mess. Okay, understood, but it's been under construction because I had to throw my old little dresser out and I bought a new one from IKEA and I put it together, so that's that. But in all of these bags, even like here, I don't know if you can see it. Well, no, the black bags right here. They were like full of hair products because I don't have enough room. My closet already full, like. So I bought these little things off of Amazon, and I mean, like, even in my bathroom, my door is so close to the wall that I can't put this on the bathroom door because it would just like, it's not even enough space in the area. So I was like, okay, I have nothing else to do but to get these hair products out of these darn bags, because I've been keeping my hair products in these black bags, like digging through them for maybe a year, like the extra ones that don't fit in the bathroom, because I only keep the ones in the bathroom that I use, that I reach for a lot. So this is just the ones that I might have like multiples of, like called a sale, which is like this one. Y'all know I love this deep conditioner, so I have 4 here, and I think I caught this on a 50% off sale. So yeah, and then I got, you know, the OG favorite here, and that's that on that. But anyways, all of these products is what I need to try to get organized in this. Now I got both of these off Amazon. This one, this short one, which like only has 4, this one was like $12.99, and this one was, it has 5, of course, you know, you got a little extra pocket. This one was 19, like 98 or something, and I was just like, let me get this one because it's cheap and I can always like put this somewhere. I could probably put it behind my door. This is my closet door, but like maybe behind my bedroom door, because I never close my door because it's just me. Like, why am I closing my door? Anyways, so I'm trying to utilize space. That's been something big like in my life. Try to just get rid of clutter and kind of clean everything up. That's what I kind of been doing. So even this bag of clothes right here, those are clothes. Some of them still had the tags on it. Now I was just thinking, okay, I'm gonna sell them on Etsy, but then I was like, girl, I just don't have the patience. I would just rather give it away or throw it away. Like, I know that sounds so bad, but put it on there, wait for people to buy it. What if nobody see my store? Y'all gonna buy my stuff? Let me know in the comments. But yeah, putting this together and being out of storage space in this area for like 2 years. I know it's so bad that I didn't replace that because it had broke when I was moving in here. The people who brought it in here broke my stuff, y'all. Don't even look at my hair. Whole nother topic. I'm about to do my deep condition. I did order these little gadgets right here off of Amazon. Now these are like organizers that go in your drawer. And you put like things in there like bras, your panties. It's like you can put like socks in these, and it's just like to utilize space, because I hate digging through a drawer. It's like so annoying. So I think this one, your underwear goes in. I seen All of Destiny did like an Amazon haul on her channel, and she mentioned that she purchased these. So I was like, you know what, that's exactly what I'm looking for, because I'm gonna show y'all now. I don't know if I want to get up, but I just kind of did this with my bathroom because I hate digging through drawers trying to find scrunchies, trying to find rubber bands, trying to find this, that, just digging through a drawer. So I kind of went to the dollar store. I went a cheaper route with that, and I got like these plastic containers and I put them in the drawer. So everything is in a certain spot and I don't have to dig for anything. So neat. But yeah, I'm looking forward to using these in my dresser I just put up from IKEA. I'm so happy, y'all. It's a little bit taller. I know I need a bigger TV, but I don't even watch TV like that. So yeah, let me show y'all my bathroom, what I'm talking about. So I've shown this on my Instagram before. Well, not this, but I'm gonna get to the part I shown. But this is what I'm talking about I organize all my stuff. So my toothpaste is here. I have a little nail brush cleaner can easily find. I got all of my like dental like picks here, and there's even like some bobby pins back there. I got some gold ones. So yeah, I got eye solution, more floss, lip gloss, my shears, eye pencil, and in here I could easily find like my hair ties, so I won't have to be digging around for them. My deodorants right here, because the top drawer, y'all, is basically what I use most often. I got my contacts here, my tweezers, and like some eyelash glue. So yeah, it'll be easy, and this is everything I reach for on a regular. Like, yeah. So moving into the second drawer, I have my brushes, clips, picks, edge things, and like some scrunchies. This is what I reach for a lot. Back here is anything I had to use to tie my hair up. So all of that is back there. And I used to hate digging around for a comb or a pick. Like everything is like right here. And this is not the most presentable thing, but hey, it's working for me. And these baskets, each of these were $1. I think I got 3 of these for $1. Sorry, y'all can't see. And my bottom drawer is my tampons and panty liners and stuff like that. Now, all of these are organic. I have switched over to organic, and I think you should too. I have a crazy body, so I got super plus, super regular, super light. I got like a little bit of everything. So, and then I have my panty liners and, you know, stuff like that back there. So this is like so organized, y'all. I love it. But the thing is, when I lift these up, I have little stuff that I can store under there that I don't reach for that often. Here's some hair masks, an extra razor, some belly button rings, and you know, stuff like that. So yeah, let me see what's under this one. Some lashes, like some hair jewelry and stuff like that. Now, in here is also organized. I guess it's like an organized vlog, y'all. I got my shampoos in here. These are my stylers. You see all the little tops. And these are my leave-ins. Back there, I think it's just like a couple more like stylers and stuff that I barely use. I need to clean this out. Those are my oils way back there. And it's like a random back there. On the side, I got these from, of course, Dollar Tree, the white baskets. These came from Walmart, y'all, because I know y'all gonna ask. But this is like my skincare stuff. These are my serums here. And I think this is like a random thing. So yeah, everything is organized. Especially under my sink. It might not look like it, but these are like gels. That's like a cleaning supply back there. This is like a mist. I use these to like dry my face when I wash my face. And it's like another miscellaneous basket at the back. Have more products under here. These are like my cream stylers. I have an edge control basket, a co-wash basket, like stuff like that. So, and I have like I have a lot of miscellaneous baskets, like with my stuff, my makeup, or like anything cotton to wipe my face off, stuff like that. So yeah. Now that y'all see how much of a organized freak I am, like with a lot of stuff, and I feel like this is going to like declutter my brain and like stop digging through stuff. I feel like, okay, for me, when my house is like the most messy, like, you know what I'm saying? When my house just is like the most disorganized, my mind is also cluttered and not organized, which makes me feel terrible, and I don't want to go nowhere. I don't want to do nothing. I just want to stay in bed. So you already know what I'm saying. So when you got things in order and stuff like that, it just makes you feel a little bit better. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Maybe you need to get your life together like I'm trying to do. But yeah, a lot of this stuff, y'all, is still in the plastic. Now, I will say, with this Shea Moisture right here, I opened one of these, and it looked like it had mold in here. Like, it had little black stuff. And I've went through so many of these Jamaican black castor oil to leave in, y'all, from Shea Moisture. Hold on, so y'all can know it's real. And the last one, the one that I have opened in my bathroom, I was, you know, digging in and putting it in my hair, and it was like black, little black spots. one doesn't appear to have it, but I did get this on a 50% off sale. This came from Sally's, and I would have shit on my hand. But hopefully all of these aren't bad, because I like this leave-in. I feel like this one right here, I'm going to probably order another one of these and move this one behind my bedroom door and just have one for deep conditioner. I'm going to have one just for my deep conditioners, y'all, and maybe like the other one like for miscellaneous products or any kind of product that I like and I like to stock up on. I feel like this could be like my back stock, basically. I don't know. And it's so hard, like, to choose, like, where to go. Because I'm just so iffy about my stuff. Okay. Let's get down to business. And this is another dilemma, y'all. Because there's certain products that I like this one. I would definitely purchase this one again. I used this on my live decondition one time. And it only has a little bit left in here. But I'm sure gonna keep it, so I need a section that I need to like use up. That's not like full. I don't know. I'm gonna get it together. I've had these so long and I've never used them. Sky Honey Baby, and the ingredients aren't that good. I got it on the sale. I don't know. I just be buying stuff. Okay, let me do the deep conditioners first, because my brain started to hurt. Okay, y'all, so I'm back, and since then I checked my sound quality on my phone and it was horrible, so hopefully you guys forgive me. But since then I have ordered another one the same length, so there you have it. I still want to preserve a lot of these for deep condition. All of this is deep conditioners. All of this one is. This one I'm probably gonna move some of these around because I purchased another one of the smaller ones to fit behind my door. So I changed it. Sorry, the sun is beaming, but I'm gonna set the other one up. It's literally still in the package. I need to open it up and put it in, but here we go. Let's move it over here. It's a little shorter. I probably should have, since I already had this, I just went ahead and ordered another one of the smaller ones. Push come to shove, if I run out of room, I would just order 2 more of the long ones and move this to my washing room, like where the dryer and stuff is. So I will probably, if I run out of room, I'm gonna put that on that door, and then I'll have 2 more long ones here. But I should not be experiencing anything like that. But hopefully the quality of this camera is better. My hair is different. I'm about to wash my hair. I don't know if y'all noticed, but one of the deep conditions I posted was like pre-recorded. Nobody even commented and was like, wait, but you said it was the first week of November in the video. But really, it's like the 3rd week now. Nobody caught that. But I'm going to do a video about deep conditioning separately instead of doing my deep condition to deep condition. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, I don't know if you guys will know what this is in my hair by the time this vlog is posted. But let's just say this, my friend, well, it's in a ponytail right now, but this was a gel only wash and go. Bam! The quality coming in, y'all. And I'm super cold right now because I got hot last night. Like, so hot. And then I was like, I'm not turning on the air. Like, it's been cold lately. So I just opened up my window. And it's cold in here now. Instead of turning on the air, so I save money. It's cold in here now. But I'm kind of like iffy about opening my windows now because I'm the type of person, y'all, I'm just really scared of Bugs. I'm scared of bugs. I'm scared of everything. So one time I had opened my window, right? And because I opened my window when I smudge. So, you know, I just open it and, you know, for a little while, then I close it. But one time I opened my window and I've noticed a really unusual amount. Like a whole bunch of, I'm like seeing like spiders in like the corners. Like, where the hell is these spiders coming from? Because now I gotta move. So one day, I don't know, I was looking out of the window, kind of over here by, my house is not too clean to be showing, but I'm saying over here by like my office area where I do like my recording and my editing. And I looked in the window. I opened this window right here and I seen like families of spiders, and I was like, that's probably how they got in through the window. So now I have to periodically like spritz like the window to make sure nothing's like living inside of the stream. Anyways, this is pretty much an organization vlog, just a little razzle dazzle. I'm about to put up the other one and I'm gonna show it to y'all. Get you guys' opinion. If you guys are trying to live, for me, I'm trying to live a minimalist life. Like, it would be cute to have, if I had space to be doing like the other vloggers, they have like the book, like they kind of use bookshelves as like product to hold the products. But I feel like I'm at a point where I want less in my house and I just want like open area. You know what I'm saying? I don't want too much clutter. So I feel like it's best for me to be hanging them from the back of the doors because it doesn't really take up a lot of space. So this is the third package I've ordered of these little things. Anyways, I ordered two, a big one and a short one the first time. And then the second time, no, this is the third order to come in. I ordered this at the same time, but one was like 1 day shipping. And I ordered this like a minute too late, and it told me I had to wait 2 days instead of next day shipping. So it kind of sucked on my behalf. It opens like this, so it doesn't look really big at all when you open it. But it's this one, the shorter one, is by Simple Houseware. I'm gonna try to include like the links in the description box. Pray for me because like doing stuff like that is like so tedious, and it just takes so much time. It just takes so much time. But yeah, so here's the brand here. It's real easy to put together too. Hey, I'm saying easy, but I keep flipping it over like I can't see. Crazy me decided to start recording right when the sun going down. Like, it's literally golden hour, so the sky gonna be, which makes me so mad though, because it's literally 5:30 and it's gonna be dark. Well guys, that's it for today's vlog. As you guys may know, Pretty Witty is my name, and as you can see, organizing is my game. Thumbs up this video if you want to see more vlogs, and see you guys on the next one, I hope.